Welcome to myUHN Portal Tips. Today I will show you how to complete eCheck-In. eCheck-In allows you to fill out forms and update information ahead of time so your healthcare provider can review them before you meet. If your appointment is in person, you still need to register with the front desk staff. If you want to see a particular part of this video, you can click on a timestamp in the description box below. Start by logging into myUHN.ca. This is the myUHN homepage. Find your upcoming appointment and click on the green eCheck-In button beside it. This is where you check your personal information. Update anything that is out of date by clicking on the Edit buttons. If you need to pause for any reason, you can save your work by clicking on the Finish Later button. Otherwise, click Next to go to the next section. This is the questionnaire page. Completing a questionnaire before your appointment can save time during the check-in process and helps your healthcare team get important information. I will demonstrate using the Princess Margaret pre-appointment questions. For some questions, you click on a number from 1 to 10 to answer. Then click on Continue. And some questions you will choose from a list which answer best describes your experience. Then click on Continue. Now review your answers. If you need to make any changes, click the pencil icon next to your answer to update it. When you're happy with all of your answers, click the Submit button. On this page, you can update your personal contacts. A contact is someone who can be reached in case of a medical emergency and can speak on your behalf. Start by clicking on Add Contact. Enter the first and last name, the relationship to you, address, phone number, and email. To make them the main person the hospital will contact, click on Primary Contact. Then click on Save Changes. Then click Next. This page allows you to update your PCP, primary care provider, who is usually your family doctor. If you are not sure if you have a PCP, click on Not Sure. If you do not have a PCP, click on No, I don't have a PCP. To add a primary care provider, click on Add PCP. On this screen, add their first name, last name, and location. If you know their specialty, use this drop-down arrow to select it. Then click on Search. If you find your PCP on the list, click on their name to add them. If you do not see them, you can either try another search or click on Can't Find Who I'm Looking For. Here you can update your insurance information. Start by clicking on Add a Coverage. If you are covered by OHIP, go to the drop-down arrow beside the word Insurance and select OHIP. Then go to the Member Number box and enter your OHIP number. Go to the Policyholder question and click on Yes. If you use private insurance, you can also upload images of the front and back of your insurance card, but it is not required. Click Submit, and then click Next. In this section, you give consent for virtual care. You will see this message once a year when you eCheck-In for a virtual appointment. Go to the bottom of the box, find the words Review and Sign. Click on them. Read the information under Consent for Virtual Care, then click on the blue box with the words Sign Here. This is your e-signature. To accept this signature, click on the Accept button below. To give consent for virtual care, click this Accept button. Scroll down and click Next. Now, review your list of current medications. To add a new one, click on Report a Medication. Click in the Medication search box here, then start to type the name of your medication. When you see the name of your medication and the correct dose, click on it to select it. Add the date that you started taking this medication, if you know it. Then click Accept. Then scroll down, find your pharmacy, and select it. If it is not on the list, click on Add a Pharmacy. Type the address of your pharmacy in the search box. When you see your pharmacy, click on it. Then click Next. Review your list of allergies and report any new ones. Click Next. Review your list of current health conditions, report any new issue, then click Next. For virtual appointments, the next step is a hardware test. When you click on the Test Hardware button, a new tab called Device Test will open in your browser. It will test your network, camera, microphone, and speaker to make sure you are ready for your virtual appointment. When it is done, you can close this tab and return to eCheck-In. And click Submit. Now you know how to complete eCheck-In before your appointment with UHN. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact myUHN support at 416-340-3777 or myUHN@uhn.ca.